I don't know what size muzzle he is, so I have a size 4 that's modified. The front is cut out. And I have a size 5. 5? Yes. That was Benito's. Oh, good boy, yes. He had a big head. So I'm going to start by presenting the muzzle and then food. So the muzzle is the predictor of good things happening, like treats. Good. I don't believe he's muzzle trained. I think we would have talked about that, but it is certainly, yes, good. A good way to get him to stop picking things up when he's walking, like chicken bones and trees. Good. His leash in his mouth. I'll start by just shaping this before I start naming it and cueing it. Hi, let's try this one too. Oh, that one's easier, right? Good. It's easier for them when the front is cut out, as you can see. He can just get used to the sensation of sticking his nose in. Good. I think we'll go with that for now. I'm dropping a hot dog into the center. Well, you got around that, didn't you? We're not going to do it for very long. You don't want it to be a stressful activity. Now I'm going to hold the treat under. Good boy, yes.